Once upon a time, in a cozy little village called Sunnybrook, there lived a kind-hearted baker named Rosie. Her bakery was famous for delicious treats, golden cookies, fluffy cupcakes, and the most amazing cinnamon rolls. But Rosie had a secret. She believed her treats weren't just made with sugar and flour. They were baked with happiness and friendship. One day, a grumpy old man named Mr. Puddle moved into the village. He never smiled, never greeted anyone, and always walked with a frown. The villagers whispered, "He's the unhappiest man in Sunnybrook." Rosie decided to change that. She baked a warm apple pie, her happiest recipe, and knocked on Mr. Puddle's door. "Go away," he grumbled. But Rosie smiled. "I brought you a pie, Mr. Puddle, made with sunshine and kindness." Mr. Puddle scowled, but took a bite. His frown softened. Not bad." Rosie giggled. "That's the magic of friendship. Would you like to help me bake sometime?" Mr. Puddle hesitated, but finally nodded. The next day, he shuffled into the bakery. Rosie taught him how to knead dough, sprinkle sugar, and most importantly, how to laugh. As they baked together, something magical happened. The more Mr. Puddle shared stories and jokes, the lighter his heart felt. Soon, the whole village smelled like happiness, and Mr. Puddle's grumbles turned into chuckles. One evening, as the sun set over Sunnybrook, Mr. Puddle handed Rosie a loaf of bread. "I added my own secret ingredient," he said with a wink. Rosie took a bite and gasped. "It's laughter," Mr. Puddle grinned, "and friendship." From that day on, the bakery wasn't just a place for treats. It was a place where happiness was baked fresh every day, and the secret recipe, a pinch of kindness, a spoonful of laughter, and a heart full of love.